Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What I will be making today, I will be grilling two ways of skinless chicken breast. One is satay style and the other is Chinese style. And this is about 4 pieces of skinless chicken breast cut in half. And for the sauce for the marinating the chicken breast, this is a 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lime juice, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. I will be putting this into the bowl. And let's mix this. Let's mix it. It's been mixed properly, so let's put this into the chicken. Get 1 Ziploc bag ready and put the cut up skinless chicken breast inside. Mix the sauce and let's put it in. Put it in. Close it. Mix it. Make sure the sauce is spread evenly and marinate this into the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Make sure you flip it over to 1 hour or 1 hour and a half. Put it on the plate. Let's put this into the fridge and make sure to flip it over once in a while. This is the brand of the sauce that I'm going to use for my Chinese style grilled chicken breast. You could also use pork and spare ribs. The reason why I have 2 kinds of grilled chicken breast because my oldest one liked this flavor. So what I have here, I have 2 pieces of skinless chicken breast. I just cut it in half and I put the sauce as needed and I just mix it well. This has been mixed properly. Let's put this in the fridge to marinate for 2 to 3 hours. Cover it with plastic wrap and let's put it in the fridge. Alright, this stew over here, it's been marinated for 3 hours. Now let's start grilling. Turn on your grill on medium-high heat and this is hot enough. Then let's start grilling. I just finished putting it on the grill and grill it for 3 to 5 minutes on both sides. I closed the lid on. Now it's 3 minutes is up, so let's check them. Oh my gosh, it's all looking so. Let's flip it over. Alright, let's close it again, leave it, cook it for 3 minutes more, and after that, close the lids on. Another 3 minutes is up, so let's check it. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Let's grill it, flip it over again. And grill it for another minute, and this should be it. We don't want it to be overcooked and dried grilled chicken. Alright, This is the leftover from the marinated sauce. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put some on the chicken. Put it just like this. Sauce. So it doesn't dry up. Okay. Flip it over. And I'm going to do other side. Sorry guys, I like to sing when I'm cooking. I hope you don't mind. That's it. And another 1 more minute and this chicken will be good to go. Another minute is done. This grilled chicken breast is finally finished. Let's take this out. And that's how I marinate and cook the 2 ways of grilled chicken. One is satay and the other is Chinese style. And hopefully you like this recipe. It's not hard to make. And thank you very much for watching. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.